Hello, I have a 28 cubic feet Samsung, and I found that over time water is running very slow through the filter. Actually, we need like not more than 10 seconds to get 1 cup, but it's take me 35-40 seconds. And we have a few places where it could be, but most likely the restriction came at the area where we have a water filter. We have a few different type of Samsung refrigerators, but most of them got same filter and very similar filter as holder assembly. We can remove filter, try again, but we have no improvement anyway. That's why we have a new filter and same slow water. It means it's not a filter, it's something wrong inside. Most likely case, it's a filter holder assembly. Okay, what to do? First, we need to disconnect water and electricity. We are disconnecting electricity, and we need to shut off valve to stop water. Just show you now, a lot of technicians recommend to change whole filter holder assembly, including hoses outside, here, till the top, with disassemble on the front. But we can do this much more simple way and save money and time, 50-40%. You can see here a water line to refrigerator, and we need to disconnect electricity from outlet first. The next step, we need to check if water valve in on position. Yes, it is in one. You can make forward and back one time just to be sure that it's working properly. Yes, in on position. Let us close this valve, and now we can start work. We need to disconnect this coupling in the middle between refrigerator and long water line. The best way to start on the side of refrigerator. In this case, we do not need to twist water line. Yes, you can try to change water filter first, maybe filter plug, but as soon as no success in my case, I'm going to change the water filter head. The most technician will try to change whole assembly, which cost around $160. It requires significant time. I will show you that you can change just filter head, which come in with 2 hoses or 1 hose, but actually you even do not need to use them. I'll show you later. and cost will be around $60. This is our part which I order, and it will, with small modification, will go to many refrigerator, but water filter is the same. The first we need to remove all shelves above. This shelf, and eventually other one. We are going to remove bottom. And now we are going to